Mr. President, the senator from James City County is right about one thing. There's nothing that's going to stop somebody with a driver's license from doing that now, but there is a difference. Difference is that driver's license, when they go in there, only gets them one gun a month and not, as many guns as they want. The genesis of this bill, and Senator Norman was right. Senator Stolle, I think, was the sponsor of the bill that Senator Wilder Governor Wilder had sent down. This was done largely, if you remember, those of you who were here, not a lot of you, at the requests of the then mayor of New York, and I think it was Dinkins, but I'm not sure, that they were, quite frankly, just sick and tired of seeing every time they were at a crime scene, the gun came from Virginia. Now, those states, may or may not have had that law then, but it was the Virginia guns that were showing up there, and that's why it got enacted. Now, the fact that crime has dropped, seems to be dropping dramatically all around the east coast of the country, and I'm not going to attribute it to one gun a month. It didn't hurt. It's the way things are, and we've got better means of policing now than we had before, and we've got mandatory sentencing and no parole, which keeps recidivism down to a low rate. The fact is, I just don't know what good possibly comes of this from the standpoint of crime control by having more and more guns. And this thing that, and I get the emails that everybody else gets, this will protect me in my house. Well, in the last 20 years, if you could only purchase one gun a month, one handgun a month, and keep in mind that law never applied to rifles, if you could only purchase one gun a month, right now, you would only be able to have in your house 240 handguns. Now, if you need more than 240 handguns, I'd submit something's wrong with you, okay? Something has gone terribly wrong in your life. So anyways, I would hope we'd leave the law the way it is. And I've not heard a real good reason on why we should change it. Thank you, Mr. President, for your patience.
Thank you, sir.